Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your REALME 16. First, remove any screen protector or case that may cause interference, especially if the case covers the bezel or the screen protector isn't perfectly applied. Clean the screen gently with a microfiber cloth. Then restart the phone by pressing power and volume up together and swipe up to restart. After restart, update your software by going to Settings, System and Update, then Software Update, and ensure you're on the latest version to eliminate any glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.